Five-time champions Tivoli Gardens have registered their first win of the Red Stripe Premier League season to take themselves away from the dreaded relegation zone, which they occupied for 3 weeks. They started the day on 1 point and left it late to sneak the victory against Harbourview at the Tony Spalding Sports Complex in the Monday night fixture. In the fast-paced encounter, both teams showed glimpses of quality, but it wasn't until the 88th minute before Tivoli got the breakthrough. Substitute Junior McGregor struck a brilliant free kick to inflict Harbourview's first loss of the season.
It was planned from week because we are depending on some fouls around the box, even though I wasn't getting any from the beginning of the season, but it was planned.
So it is something that you knew you could do?
Yeah, because I've been scoring some free kick from week.
The victory lifted Tivoli Gardens 3 places up the table to 8th with 4 points. That's one behind Harbourview, who remain on 5 points in 5th place.
A good performance overall. I think defensively we did pretty well. We blocked Harbourview from playing all over the pitch. You know, we force them to one side and ask them to use the long ball, which they don't favour a lot. You know, they like to pass around the football, and we have decided that we won't allow them to do that for the entire 90 minutes. You know, kudos to the goal scorer McGregor. I believe it was an excellent free kick taken. I think the team performed overall fairly good, you know, and as I said before, as soon as we get the field up and running, I think the performance will be much better.
I think it's overall performance. We didn't get on the ball, we didn't show any confidence and any belief in each other, and we didn't create enough space for ourselves to put the ball down and play. I think it's a very disappointing performance from us tonight. We didn't came out the block. We didn't show a glimpse of what we are capable of doing. And I think that's what cost us the 3 points tonight.